Yo, 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 it's your boy B Davis. I am here. Look who I got to my right. This is Mrs. Stomp. Mrs. Stomp, tell the people what's happening.
Hi.
We're having an affair. Oh, don't tell nobody.
Just kidding.
Psych. Go ahead and tell us. It's Stump's birthday.
It is.
What we got going on?
Drinking.
Drinking
Drink
what?
all of them.
All of them?
We're drinking all of them.
Oh,
Say
so
what's
cute.
It's only just begun.
Our time coming. R-rated. Yeah.
Push it to the limit. Walk along the razor's edge, but don't look down, just keep your head.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Long Time Coming. I am your host, B Davis, and as you guys saw, the Bahia is looking a little hee. It's looking rough. It's been about 3 weeks since the last time I cut this. I was so over it. It's so overgrown. Look at this. I got all type of stuff. I got weeds. I got all type of stuff that's going on in here. Oh, I got thatch all in here and everything, and it's just looking rough. Look at Thor. Even he can't even walk in it. So I am going to.
What are those?
So it's time for a cut. It's going to be a crappy cut. It's going to suck. It's going to be long. But I figure I try to get out here because I really want to take care of these weeds with a little bit of image. So let's find out what happens. Time Master, activate. Yes. Okay, so I know what I'm gonna do. The Bahia is struggling. The Bahia is struggling. Let me get a little closer. The Bahia is not extra crispy. It's struggling. So what I'm gonna do, what I'm gonna have to do is reamp it again. I'm gonna have to redo it like I did months ago. This time I'm going to a little bit more detail on it. It's gonna probably be like maybe 2 parts. This the first part. I cut it after 3 weeks. of letting it grow up high. I cut it, and as you can see, if you look, as you can see, fungus, thatch.
Ew, you're so nasty.
Thatch. Look at that. 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 Look at that thatch. Sean Gregory. So it needs reamping. I struggled with it. I struggled with it a few weeks back. I kind of gave up on it, you know, but we're gonna reamp it, and you guys gonna see. You can see how it is now. I cut it first at a level on the Time Master at an A, highest level it can go, and then I just dropped it down to a B. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have to take it down. I want to get it down to a D on the Time Master. I want to get it down to a D, possibly an E, as low as it could go, because and my camera's starting to lean on me. There we go. Because I want to push it. I don't, you know, the stuff that I would do on the stuff that I will do on the Bahia, I would not do it on the St. Augustine, not to save my life. But for the Bahia, because I know it'll grow back. Just crazy. It's highway grass. I know it will grow back. So that's why I feel like I can push it more. I can push it to the limit.
Push it to the limit.
Right there. That's my, you know, so that's what I'm going to do. I am going to break this down into 2 parts. This would be part 1 of it, cutting it at a level A, going back over with a level B. Then next week it will be taking it down to a level. I might have to do like a C and then drop it to a D, or I might just go straight to a D. I don't know. I don't care, because I want to get it low enough to when I dethatch it again, it's gonna pick it all up, and I'm going to dethatch it correctly, and then I'm going to pump it. I am going to put the Bio Advance down. I am going to drop Disease X to clear up this disease, and I'm going to drop some Imagine on it, some Image to kill all these weeds and crap that I got all in here that's infestation and everything on it now. So that's what I'm going to do, and once that happens, I'll give it a couple weeks. I want to get to the beginning of October, because when October comes, then I really got to start pumping it. I really got to start pushing it. I really got to start getting it green, because I have to have it. My deadline is Halloween, and we're coming up fast on it. So with that being said, this has been another episode of Bahia Gone Wild. That's Gone Wild. It's time to reamp the old Bahia, so you guys can see how it looks now. That's Florida win for you. And we're gonna get it green. Until next time, peace.
Razor's edge, but don't look